Assalamu alaikum. This is section 2.4. It's about product and quotient rules. So let's start it with example 1. So we have here d over dx of x squared times x power 5. So the example he needs the derivative of x squared times x power of 5. So basically try to simplify it. I mean, you have to add 2 to 5. So it will be x power of 7 and find the derivative of it, 7x power of 6. And actually most of students will say that why we don't distribute the derivative. So if we distributed the derivative, it will be d over dx x power 2. So it will be like x power 2 times d over dx of x power of 5. So it will be 2x. So you'll find the derivative of x2 x squared times the derivative of x power of 5 to be 5x power of 4. So it will be 10x power of 5, and this is false because you cannot distribute the derivative. So you just add the power. I mean, here you can say that you have to say here you can see x squared added with 5, so 2 plus 5 to equal 7. Then you can get the derivative of it. Okay, here we have theorem 4.1. It's about the product rule. So assume that we have d over dx of fx times gx. So in this case you have to get the derivative of first one, which is fx, times gx plus fx, and get the derivative of gx. So it will be fx prime, so f prime x times gx plus fx times g prime x. So first you have to find the derivative of fx, then you have to find the derivative of gx. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's say example 2. So we have a fx equal 2x was 2x power 4 minus 3x plus 5 times x squared minus square root of x plus 2 over x. Okay, so first of all you have to simplify it. So let's write it 2x power 4 minus 3x plus 5. Okay, we have x squared minus, we can write square root of x as x power of 1 over 2 and plus 2 over x, we can make it 2x power of minus 1. I mean, you take the x from denominator and you put it in the numerator, and you have to write it as 2x power of negative 1. Okay, then you can find the derivative of x of fx. It will be here, as we said, f prime x, so you have to get the derivative of first one, which is fx, and here gx. Here fx, and here we have gx. So the f prime x, it will be 8x. Okay, so we have here 8x of power of 3 minus 3, and the constant will be 0, times gx. Sorry, I have to simplify it. Okay. X plus 2x power of negative 1 plus 2x fx, okay, 2x power of 4 minus 3x plus 5, and the derivative of gx will be 2x. Let me get this. Okay, to be 2x minus 1 over x power of negative 1 over 2 minus 2x power of negative 2. Here minus 2x power of negative 2. Okay, second one, it's b. We have fx equal h x multiplied by square root of x minus 4x times x power of 4 minus 3x 3 over x square plus 2. First we have to simplify it as well. It will be x times, I mean this, it will be like this. It will be x times x over power of 1 over 2, so it will be x power of 3 over 2 minus 4x, and we have here x power of 4 minus 3x power of negative 2 plus 2. Okay, so next you will get the derivative of fx. It will be 3 over 2 x power of 1 over 2 minus 4 times gx, which is x power of 4, 3x power of negative 2 plus 2 plus x power of 3 over t minus 4x times 4x power of 3 minus 3 times negative 2 times x power of negative 3. And you can simplify it. Let me see. I can copy this. Okay. Okay. So it will be so I will write here fx have okay, so this time will be minus negative, it will be plus 6 x power of negative 3, and this is the final okay. Next one we have here theorem 4.2. it's about quotient rule. So assuming we have d over dx, we have to find a derivative of fx over gx. So the rule, or the quotient rule, said we have to first find the derivative of fx times gx minus fx times g prime of x, and we have to make the denominator gx square. Okay, so let's take an example. We have example 3. So we have fx. So we have fx equal x power 2 minus 2 x cube plus 1. Okay, f prime x will be 2x times x cube plus 1 minus x square minus 2 just 2 times 3x square over the denominator. So the denominator is x cube plus 1 square. And here we can simplify it. We can say 2x 4 plus 2x minus 3x power 4 plus 6 power 6x square over x cube plus 1 square. So it will be we have here we have 2x power of 4, and here negative 3x power of 4. So it will be negative x power of 4 plus 6x square plus 2x over the denominator square. Next we have problem 6. Here we have the problem 6. gt plus 2t minus 5 2 square minus 2t plus 1. You have to get the g prime t. Okay, so we have to find the derivative of the numerator. It will be 2t plus 2 times the denominator plus 1 minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator and the denominator over the denominator square. And actually in this case you have, or I mean, it's not necessary to find or to simplify it. I mean, that's it's enough. Okay, here problems. Problem 8. Okay. Six x minus t 2 over x square plus square root of x. Here let's simplify it. It will be 6x minus 2x power of negative 1 over x square plus x or power of x 1 over 2. Let's find the derivative. Okay, first the derivative of the denominator times, I mean the derivative of numerator times denominator minus numerator times the derivative of denominator. And the denominator square x power of 2 minus plus x power of 1 over 2 square. Okay, we have next power problem 22. So we have here hx equal fx over gx, and he gave to us f0 is equal 1, okay, minus 1 minus 2, and f prime 0 is equal minus 1, f prime 1 equal 3. We have g0 3, g prime 0 minus 1, and he said find tangent line to hx y equal hx at x equal to 0. Okay, so solution. First, okay, you have to know the tangent line to y equal hx at x equal to 0 is y equal h prime a. And h prime a, it represents the slope m tan times x minus a plus h a. Okay, here a equal to 0, so we have here the point 0, and we have to get the HA. How to get the HA? You have to replace A with 0. I mean H0 F0 over G0, so it will be minus 1 over 3, it will be minus 1 over 3. So we have here minus 1 over 3. This is the point. Okay, next we have to get the derivative. It will be f prime x times gx minus fx times g prime x. At the denominator as well, it will be square. Let's get it. It will be f0 prime g0 minus f0 times g prime 0 over g0 square. It will be minus 1 times 3 minus negative 1 times negative 1 over 3 square, and it will be minus 3 minus 1, so minus 3 or negative 3 minus 1 over 9 equal minus or negative 4 over 9. So this slope, it will be negative 4 over 9, so the function will be negative 4 over 9 x minus 0 minus 1 over 3.